Hi y'all, you ready for another day of Craftmas? This is what we're making today. This right here. A snowman wreath. Isn't he adorable? It's pretty simple to do. So continue to watch. Alright y'all. So I'm using the grape wreaths in 3 sizes. I believe it was like 10, 14, and 16. I got them all from Hobby Lobby. I think they were all $4.99, and then I had a coupon for maybe one was $6.99. I don't remember, but anyway. And I spray painted them with white spray paint, the Rust-Oleum, so that it will, be able to withstand the weather outside. And I'm just using zip ties to hook him together, and that was the head and the body. And now I'm going to create his bow. You can either make it just a scarf and just take your ribbon and like tie it around his neck like it's a scarf, but I chose to create a bow. So I've already cut off 20 inches and put it to the side, and now I'm creating the bow itself. I do have a video on this in more detail if you want to see it. It's one of my older videos, so I wasn't such a pro at videos then because it was like one of my first videos. So just keep that in mind. But anyway, I did a length of 8 inches, and now what I'm doing is just, going over and over till I get 5 layers. You want 5 layers on each side, and once you have 5 layers, then you will cut your ribbon off. It is a lot easier to do this, to take all the ribbon off the spool, but I didn't want to do that because this is 25 feet, and I knew I was not going to use all of that ribbon. So, and then I just take a pipe cleaner and put it on there to hold it, and I'll realize this is not tight enough, so then I tie it really tight so that you're able to fan out your layers that you have. And then there's a little piece that's going to be like a little tail piece, and that's the last layer that you cut, and you'll take it and bring it over so it'll make that pretty little button is what I call it. And then you take the 20-inch that's already been cut, that's your tail, and you just use the pipe cleaner to hold everything together, and then you just zhuzh, zhuzh, zhuzh. This takes forever and a day. Especially depending on how you want it to look. You kind of get it started on the table or whatever, and then it is a lot easier once you put it on your wreath or wherever you're putting it to kind of zhuzh it up or fluff it up or whatever you want to call it. I love these bows. This is one of my favorite bows. They're very easy to make. It's just a lot of finessing that it takes to get it to the way that you look, and I call them my button bows because that's what they remind me of. They look like a button. So it's done. So now I'm going to just attach him to his little neck there, just using the pipe cleaners to attach it on there. And again, once I get him hung, I'll get it more situated and get it more poofed up and the way that I want it to look. But he is going to be so cute. Now what I want to do is I want to create his hat, and I got this foam hat from Hobby Lobby. It was $4.99, but I got it for half off on the day that I went in, and the crafting gods were on my side, and they were like, Gina, everything you need will be on sale, and it was. There I'm just showing that if you want to use the ribbon for the band, you can. These picks I got several years ago from Joann's, probably when they were on clearance after the holidays. And again, maybe premonition, I knew I was going to need them for something. I don't even remember buying them, but there they were in my closet, and I was like, oh yes. So you could put the ribbon down for a band and put these on, but I chose that I just wanted to put the pick on by itself, and I'm using hot glue. Now I will tell you, it's going to take a lot of hot glue to get the sucker to stay on there, right? Then I have this cute little bird. Again, it was in my stash, and I'm just using Fabri-Tac to get him onto the pick there to make him look cute. So now I am putting the hat on, and I use Fabri-Tac, but I ended up going with wood glue because it will take forever. And then this is how I make the hook with the pipe cleaner. Love this. So much fun. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you're enjoying the series. I love it. Please like and share if you did. Y'all be good to one another. And I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.